Oke, jadi sekarang ini udah jam 9 ya, 9 malam. Aku di sini udah dapat istirahat yang cukup ya. Udah makan, udah mandi ya. Jadi di sini aku ngambil break beberapa jam lah. Jadi nggak nggak sebentar ya, aku breaknya lama itu. Terakhir kan kalau nggak salah jam 3 ya, kalau nggak salah. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 jam lah aku dapat break. Oh ya, dan ini kakinya udah jadi ya. Tuh. Kaki kanannya udah jadi nih. Sekarang kita bakal lanjut buat bikin kaki kiri ya. Tapi kita setel dulu. Aku belajar dari kesalahanku guys. Buat jangan nunjukin jam waktu pas HP ku masih mati ya.
Oke Gemini, bikin CV aku jadi desain website. Lucu juga.
Look how far our city has come. We're actually starting
Nah, let's go.
and the airport alone takes like a third of the land. Okay, at this point, the city is starting to move a lot of trash, and it's also starting to smell bad, which means the city needs
Sorry.
its own trash service. So I built this Lego garbage truck which can pick up trash around Lego City. There's a door in the back to load it, and this arm to lift it and dump it into the back. Oh, there's trash right here. And to keep the city even cleaner, I built this Lego street sweeper to remove any trash or hazards off the road. Okay, the city has a new emergency because it looks like this guy was gaming so hard his PC caught on fire, which means the city now needs its own fire truck. So I built this giant Lego fire truck from 500 pieces. There's an office inside.
Buset, 500 bagian.
Ladder to reach the top.
Pasti harganya 800.000 guys kalau yang kayak gitu.
And it even comes with a literal drone that also shoots water. Okay, we put the fire out, but I think Bro needs a new PC now. Now, something I noticed about this
Tunggu,
city
kok bagiannya kayak ada yang hilang ya? Tunggu guys, aku cari dulu ya.
So what if we built this city its own park where the citizens can come to relax? So
Kok
I
hilang?
built a small nature walk with a
Apa memang aku belum bikin ya?
animals, and
Ya deh, kayaknya aku belum bikin deh.
there's a statue in honor of the
Jadi
man
pelupa aku.
skateboard.
Habis break 6 jam ya.
Ladies even doing a yoga class. Okay, before I add to the city, I'm tired of building and I need a break. So I called up an actual friend of mine, which is also a Lego YouTuber, and he's gonna build and add anything of his choice.
Jujur aku pengen guys bikin kayak kota Lego gitu ya.
Nice. While the citizens gobble up the list,
Tapi sayangnya mahal pasti itu budgetnya.
now as our
Sedangkan aku baru YouTuber kecil. Penghasilannya belum seberapa ya.
So to fix that and make our city safer, we need to build it its own police force. So I built these two Lego police cars, like this sport car and this truck, which has a place in the back to keep criminals. It even has this special piece with
Satisfying sekali.
nice and even makes noise. Now we need to
Aduh, jangan ke situ nanti muka aku kelihatan lagi.
evil people in all of Lego City. So I built this tall electric fence which will keep the criminals from escaping. I built security cameras and I even built this watchtower with guards. I then built 3 tiny prison cells to punish the criminals with the worst living conditions possible. They get a tiny bed, a toilet, and a small window to breathe. And when it's time to eat, they get fed old, expired bread. My pet dog literally lives better than this. Now, aside from the police, what if we give the city its own
Dan di sini tanganku udah nggak keringetan ya guys.
I bought this 50
Jadinya lebih gampang. Tapi bentar lagi pasti keringetan. Pasti itu. Bentar lagi nanti pasti keringetan tanganku.
starting to run out of space, and the airport alone takes like a third of the land. Okay, at this point, the city is starting to
Oke,
collect a lot of trash.
kita taruh di
It's
sini.
also starting to smell bad, which means the city needs its own trash service. So I built this Lego garbage truck which can pick up trash around Lego City. There's a door in the back to load it. And
Kalian nggak bosan kan nonton video 1-2 jam lamanya ini?
there's trash right here.
Gini kan nanti
Keep
jadi.
the city even cleaner,
Eh.
I built this Lego street sweeper to
Iya nanti tinggal dibalik aja sih. Nggak masalah.
Okay, the city has a new emergency because it looks like this guy was gaming so hard his PC literally caught on fire, which means the city
Lah bukannya tadi ini udah diulang ya? Kok diulang lagi deh?
this giant Lego fire truck
Ah nggak tahu lah. Mungkin kepencet atau diganti sama hantu ya.
take calls, a ladder
Mungkin.
to the top
I don't
of
know.
any building, a working gun on the top that shoots water, and it even comes with a literal
Aku sendiri soalnya juga nggak nyadar ya guys. Aku lebih ke fokus ke Legonya ini sekarang.
put the fire out, but I think Bro needs a new PC now. Now, something I noticed about this city is there's basically no trees or nature. So what if we built this city its own park where the citizens can come to relax? So I built this small nature walk with a trail full of trees and animals, and in the very middle of the park there's a
Iya, kayaknya ini udah diulang kan ya?
small skateboard park.
Iya, kayaknya keulang sih.
Even doing a yoga class. Okay, before I head to the city, I'm tired of building and I need a break. So I called up an actual friend of mine, which is also a Lego YouTuber, and he's gonna build and add anything of his choice. I built this Lego hot dog stand.
Aduh, ya jatuh.
Street, they can get some food. Nice. While the citizens got
Aduh,
Glizzies were ready
jatuh ke bawah printer lagi.
our city. Now in our city.
Tuh, jatuh ke bawah printer ya. Oh, mana nih? Oh, ini dia.
And this truck, which has
Aduh, 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 aduh.
nice, it even makes noise. Now we need to build a
Kayak alarm mobil ya guys suaranya.
Lego City. So I built this tall electric fence which will keep the criminals from escaping. I built security cameras and I even built this watchtower with guards. I then built 3 tiny prison cells to punish the criminals with the worst living conditions possible. They get a tiny bed, a toilet, and a small window to
Aku nggak tahu ini aku yang ngulang atau aku ulang sendiri ya.
and old
Aku juga nggak merhatiin sih.
pet dog literally lives better than this. Now, aside from the police, what if we give this city its own superhero to protect it? So I bought this $50 Lego Batman set. It comes with Batman himself, this light to signal when help is needed, and to get around the city, I built him his own personal vehicle, which is this giant tumbler with working guns that shoot studs. Hey, stop whatever this guy's doing. At this point, I need to touch grass and go outside, so next I'm gonna quickly speed run to a store that sells Lego to see what Lego they have that we can add to our city. Okay, the sets have been comped. Ignore that this one's for girls. This first Lego set is a Fortnite burger restaurant. There's this giant burger on top of the building, and the guy who runs the restaurant is dressed like one. The customers can either order at this drive-thru window, or they can order inside where the burgers are prepared. And this second Lego set is a small pet shop. Outside the building is this giant dog, and inside you can not only buy pets, but also pet food, pet accessories like these hats, or you can take this elevator to the second level where there's a pet bath. Okay, not sure what this is, but it's either ice cream or it's poop. Okay, those are 2 new things added to our city. Also, please like, because I'm spending way too much money. Next, I'm gonna build this city a Lego shopping mall full of different businesses so the citizens can buy anything they want. Okay, the outside is finished, and I made it big so we can fit all the stores. Now we're ready to build all the shops. So first, I built this high-end designer clothing store where only the richest people in all of Lego City can shop. You can even buy accessories like handbags and watches. This second store is a Lego store made from
Ya, nge-lag. Kasihkan nyanyi lagi kan. Gara-gara nggak tahu mau ngapain. Aduh. Aduh. Set. Nah, sekarang tinggal kita bandingin ya, guys. Siapa tahu ada yang salah. Ternyata ada. Kita harus teliti ya. Kita harus bandingkan satu persatu.
Lego. Yeah, that actually doesn't make sense now that I think about it, because aren't the people
Nah, udah nih ya, kaki kanan sama kaki kirinya udah nih.
I even built a Lego application
Kita bakal lanjut ke step berikutnya,
computers and this video game.
yaitu memasangkan kaki.
Lego video game ever made.
Let's go. Pakai sound effect dulu ya, guys. Wih, keren juga nih. Keren juga nih robotnya. Wih. Aduh. Tapi gampang copot sih, tapi nggak apa-apa lah ya. Nggak apa-apa. Sekarang kita bakal bikin lengannya atau tangannya. Jadi lengannya itu kayak senjata gitu loh. Nih. Ada yang senjata
And even the
sama perisai ya, kalau nggak salah.
and in the heart of the mall, I built a Lego
Tapi kayaknya ini nggak sampai 2 jam deh, guys. Palingan 1 jam 30 menit ya, nggak nyampe 2 jam.
of your choice.
Bagus lah kalau begitu.
Movie screen, I literally use my phone.
Aduh. Aduh, pengen kentut. Kentutku semoga nggak kedengaran ya. Kalau kedengaran malu banget sih. Get out.
Come visit Lego City, and my plan is to make this the tallest building in the whole city. Okay, the outside's finished, and I made it super tall to accommodate all the
Tapi nih lengkap sih guys, bagiannya nggak ada yang hilang ya.
hotel. So I built multiple levels, like this lobby where you check in and grab.
Ibuku lagi main sama adekku di bawah.
Built multiple hotels.
Sedangkan aku berdiam di sini. Aku menjadi nolep, bukan gamer tapi nolep Lego. Enggak guys, aku keluar kok. Aku juga olahraga. Aku tidak senolep yang kalian kira ya. Gak terlalu nolep lah. Gimana ini kok hilang ya? Oh enggak neng. Dari tadi aku bilang kok hilang calling lagi. Dari tadi aku bilang kok hilang, ternyata cuma tersembunyi ya. Jadi ini bagiannya 100% lengkap. Nah ini nih masang yang paling susah nih. Aduh, susah nih ya bagiannya. Aduh. Susah kalau masangnya kayak gini. Jadi ini 100% bagiannya lengkap ya guys. Mantap. Nih tangannya udah ada. Bercanda. Ampun, jangan cancel aku. Aku hanyalah YouTuber kecil, jangan cancel aku. I even built this giant Lego Coast Guard boat to patrol the water and rescue people who are drowning and even defend the city against pirates. Next, I want to build a Lego train that will transport people around the island. So I built this track and I bought this $100 Lego set, which is a working Lego train that you can actually control using this remote. Yes, let's go. It works. We're on track to finishing our city. Inside the train are seats for all the passengers, and there's even a small restaurant where you can buy cupcakes and hot dogs. Oh, maybe not that fast. Next, I want to build this city a giant stadium to entertain all the citizens with live events, and we need it to fit as many people as possible. Okay, the stadium is finished. I built Pergelangannya udah jadi ya.
for the events, and look at all the people who have gathered to watch. First, I built this Lego concert.
Buset.
I even built a Lego soccer mat, and I used these special pieces that allow the minifigures to kick the ball and score.
Tunggu, kayaknya aku dipanggil deh. Tunggu bentar guys. Sabar.
I also built this big swing ride where you
Ternyata aku disuruh ngambil pizza dari adekku ya guys. Sebenarnya kan pizzaku ya, tapi mau dimakan sama dia. Jadi bapakku bikin alasan kalau pizzanya itu pedes dan nyuruh aku buat ngambil. Oke.
let's go. This is actually looking like a theme park, but I just
Nah, udah jadi nih.
is the actual.
Wih,
So to
kayak ada senjatanya gitu ya. Jadi bisa nembak dari sini.
this wheel,
Piu 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 piu.
see what we get. Okay, here we go.
Ya, jatuh.
Let's go. We got the dinosaur one. I then turned the park into a tropical rainforest. I built this dinosaur-themed entrance, and I added even more dinosaurs, including this T-Rex. Okay, the theme park is open to the public, and it looks like it's a 10-hour wait. What if I ask my subscribers what I should add? So I quickly went to Instagram to ask for your ideas, and we actually got some big YouTubers to comment, like Ben Azalar, who said to build a lemonade stand. I promise that's lemonade and not something else. ZHC told me to build a dog park, so I built one for all the dogs in the city.
Oh, salah. Bagiannya salah. Pantesan beda ya.
Secret room, so I built this boulder with a homeless guy living in it. My cousin told me to build someone wood farming. Someone told me to add a Lego version of myself, add balloons to a house to make it look like that one from Up, skyscrapers to make this feel more like a city, a speed bump to slow down traffic, a working ATM machine that dispenses money, and someone even told me to build a Lego basketball court. I even added this custom Lego LeBron James. At this point, the journey of building this Lego city is coming to an end. But just now, a distant planet has arrived to declare war on our city and claim it as theirs.
Buset.
And Batman alone can't protect us, which
Oh hell nah. Aku tidak suka sponsor ya guys, soalnya mengganggu kalau kayak gini. Biar nggak terlalu lama. Nah, dah nih tangannya. Kita bakal lanjut bikin tangan kirinya ya. Ini aja.
This is an average minifigure I named Jen, but I built one of the most complex cinematic
Aduh.
around this simple
Bagian ini lagi.
So in this video, I'm gonna show you the entire story of Jeff, from him trying to save his best friend all the way to his evil villain. A couple fireworks, flamethrowers, and lasers.
Sound efeknya.
And stick to
Soalnya
this,
ini
because there is
susah banget
more about
buat ditekan ya.
never been shown before.
Apalagi tanganku udah mulai keringetan dan aku kentut lagi. Semoga nggak kedengaran. Tapi ngapain aku spill ya kalau aku nggak mau ketahuan? Ah, Allah.
This is his father, Jeffrey Brickman II. And his father works at a science lab where him and his coworker Bob test out new experiments. Jeff also had his pet/best friend Dave the Deer. And Dave the Deer and Kid Jeff would always be playing together. Well, Jeff's dad was out working at his job. One day, Jeff's father brought Jeff to the lab to show him some of the cool stuff he works on. But at one point, Jeff's father was working on the computer, and Jeff, being very curious, saw this really cool-looking machine. So he walked into it, checking it out, not realizing it was activated. No, Jeff, what are you doing? But it was too late. The machine ended up giving him cloning powers, which he'll figure out how to use later. A couple months later, Jeff's father was at the lab again, working on one of the machines, until he noticed a shadowy figure in the lab. The shadowy figure had placed something on one of the machines and jumped away. Jeff's father realized it was a bomb, so he tried to run away as fast as he could. But he couldn't get away fast enough. The lab exploded. And after that day, Jeff never saw his father again.
No.
Many years passed and Jeff
Rip
still
bapaknya
grew up
Jeff.
still being best friends.
Rest in
And
peace
also
bapaknya Jeff.
figuring out how to use his cloning ability. One day, Jeff and Dave were going on a walk, but Dave wasn't paying attention and saw a car coming straight at him.
Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb, the shape like a... Oh, sorry.
Had to save him. So his plan was simple: to use all this money to buy and maybe steal a bunch of vehicles to save Dave the Deer.
Dave the Deer.
This is the time
Riding in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb, the shape like a deer. DUI, how about you?
I'm gonna be making some of the most expensive vehicles on Earth in Lego.
Okay.
We're gonna start with a $1 car. And while I'm building this $1 car, I want to introduce you to Jeffrey Brickman III. Or you can just call him Jeff for short. Now, Jeff is a very, very rich minifigure because he wanted Mr. Beast's lab to keep hand on Tesla wins all Elon Musk's money challenge. Hey, wait, I didn't sign up for this. Now, his pet deer named Dave somehow got stuck on the moon. Don't ask me how. And he really wants to save him and bring him back home. The only problem is he can only spend a certain amount of money each day. So for day one, he could only spend $1. That's why he bought this $1 junkyard car. I used transparent pieces to make a broken glass windshield. It only has one wheel. Hey, but at least the steering wheel spins, right? Jeff hopped into the car and drove to his house. Very, very slowly. And while Jeff is on his way, I'm gonna build his house. Jeff lives in this very nice A-frame cabin, and Jeff finally made it just before his car died. Well, doesn't look like we're gonna be needing that car anymore. It was starting to get late, so Jeff walked into his house, walked up the stairs, and jumped. And Jeff fell asleep. And now Jeff was energized and ready to go save his pet deer. For day two, he could spend $100. So he bought a red bike. He hopped on the bike and set off to save Dave the Deer off the moon. Jeff traveled far and wide trying to find something very specific. He was trying to find a ramp. Jeff backed up a bit and with all of his power he pedaled as fast as he could, going straight up the ramp. He flew through the air thinking he was gonna make it to the moon. Yeah, that wasn't really the smartest idea, and now the bicycle broke. I moved the bicycle and the ramp, and while Jeff is laying there pretty much sleeping, I'm gonna build the $10,000 car.
Oke, dan akhirnya sudah jadi ya tangan kanan sama tangan kirinya. Waktunya kita pasang. Tangannya kita kepal dulu ya. Dan akhirnya Legonya sudah jadi ya kawan-kawan. Akhirnya setelah 1 jam 20 menit. Ya akhirnya sudah jadi ini Legonya. Nice. Tapi kita kayaknya harus pasang stiker deh. Kita perlu pasang stiker deh kayaknya. Oke, kita pasang dulu ya ini stikernya. Aduh, pasang nggak ya? Pasang nggak ya guys? Pasang nggak ya? Oke, nggak usah lah. Ini stikernya kita koleksi aja ya guys. Soalnya jujur aku agak malas. Jadi, seperti yang kalian bisa lihat, ini adalah hasil dari mobil ya bener dah. Mobil yang aku rubah jadi robot. Ini adalah mobil Ferrari Valali Raging Fire. Ya, jadi seperti yang kalian bisa lihat inilah hasil akhirnya. Dari sini kita juga dapat part-part yang cukup menarik ya. Kita di sini dapat velg ya, yang mungkin kita bisa pasang ke suatu set nanti. Ini kita dapat bagian merah baru, jadi kita bakal taruh di sini aja. Bagian merah-merah itu. Terus di sini kita juga dapat bodi bawah ya. Nih kita dapat sasisnya. Terus ada bagian-bagian hitam sama apa ini? Ini kalau nggak salah kayak kunci Inggris gitu ya. Kunci Inggris ini kayaknya. Dan besok pagi kita bakal bikin robot yang ini ya guys. Yang lebih keren menurutku. Oke, jadi kita bakal bahas singkat aja. Jadi seperti yang kalian bisa lihat, robot ini memiliki warna dominan merah. Di sini dia harusnya memiliki stiker, tapi aku tidak mau pasang karena udah capek banget dan malas. Nggak capek banget sih, kan aku dapat istirahat ya 6 jam. Maksudnya aku pengen ngelakuin hal yang lain. Di sini transformasi robot ini dari mobil ke robot ini menurutku realistis banget ya. Di sini bannya ada, kacanya ada, jadi nggak dihilangin gitu. Terus ini apa tuh namanya? Kayak ya pokoknya itulah pokoknya. Terus ini kalau nggak salah apa tuh namanya? Bagian knalpotnya ya. Ini ya kalau nggak salah bagian knalpotnya. Bener kan? Ini bagian knalpotnya. Terus di sini kepalanya mirip-mirip ya sama kepala yang ini. Coba kita tukar. Buset. Aduh, jadi kayak zombie ya. Jadi kayak bermutasi dia ceritanya. Jadi ya, mungkin segitu saja guys untuk video merakit Lego ini ya. Anggap aja ini kayak replay live stream guys. Soalnya YouTube tidak membolehkan aku live stream ya karena aku masih minor. Tapi jangan ada pedofil yang coba nargetin aku. Jangan ada. Aku bukan sembarang anak kecil. Aku adalah juara taekwondo yang sudah berhasil turnamen selama 12 kali. 22. Selama 12 kali. Sesuai dengan umurku. Jadi jangan macam-macam sama aku. Oke. Jadi ya, mungkin itu saja peringatannya bagi para orang-orang yang sus dan ingin mengincarku. Tapi gimana ya? Kayak caranya orang-orang itu kayak ngincar anak kecil ya. Apa kayak dihack gitu terus dicari tahu alamatnya? Terus kayak dipasangin tracker di HP mereka atau di device yang mereka bawa terus diculik. Aku nggak tahu ya, karena aku bukanlah orang yang seperti itu. Untungnya. Dulu ya sih. Oke, jadi itu saja guys untuk video kali ini. Dan ya, kalian bisa lihat di sini robot ini sungguh sangat keren ya. Jadi tunggu, ini memang desainnya atau gimana ya? Ini memang desain. Oh, memang guys. Soalnya di sini kalian bisa lihat ya. Ini tuh warna abu-abu, ini warna merah, makanya aku bingung. Kok kayak ada yang aneh gitu ya? Ternyata memang kayak gitu. Memang kayak gini deh. Tuh, abu-abu merah. Ya, ternyata memang kayak gitu ya. Di sini detailnya ini bagus banget ya. Setirnya nggak dikemana-manain, kacanya ada. Kursinya juga ada, bannya ada, semuanya pokoknya ada. Jadi pokoknya semua dari yang awalnya mobil ini dipasangkan kepada robot ini ya. Untuk harga 80.000 murah juga ya ini. murah juga, dan hasilnya itu tidak mengecewakan ya. Artikulasinya lumayan. Tunggu. Jujur, artikulasi itu apa sih? Kalau seingatku, artikulasi itu kan kayak pose-pose gitu kan. Tapi jujur kata orang tuaku bukan. Itu katanya kayak not atau kayak lagu-lagu gitu lah. Atau kayak not ketinggian lagu gitu. Mari kita cari. Aku sudah kelas 1 SMP tapi aku tidak tahu artikulasi. Apa itu? Artikulasi. Salah. Artikulasi. Oh, ini dia. Oh, gitu. Kejelasan pengucapan bunyi. Oke, jadi ternyata orang tua aku benar ya. Jadi itu kayak kejelasan pengucapan bunyian ujaran bla 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 bla, baca sendiri lah. Jadi selama ini aku salah. Tapi kayak buat pose-pose itu apa ya namanya? Kalau nggak salah artikulasi juga kan? Articulation pose atau gimana gitu. Soalnya aku inget banget ada orang Inggris yang bilang this toy has so much nah kan jadi susah nyebutnya. This toy has so much artikulasi ya. Pokoknya itulah. Seingatku artikulasi itu kayak pose-pose gitu gak sih? Tapi kayaknya enggak deh. Oke, thank you. Copot ya. Thank you so much, my parent. I owe you a apology because I thought you were wrong. Oke, aku pakai bahasa Inggrisnya itu. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. Sorry. Oke guys, jadi segitu saja untuk video kali ini. Dan sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Bye-bye. Adios kan.